Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank
Fine.
you.
Yes.
Yes.
Take your textbook.
Ma'am, taken.
Take your textbook. See, up to where? I think page number 41. Shah say shut. That finish.
Ma'am, 45 page.
Page number 45. Did you write in your notebook Shah? Shah say shut.
Yes, ma'am.
That finish? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where is your notebook? Last page. Show me.
Last.
Notebook, last page. Shah. Did you complete that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shah से क्या है?
Shut. Shut. Meaning six. Ma'am, you are mute.
Ah, yes. Okay. So, Shah finish. Shah से क्या है? Shah से
Shut.
shut. अर्थ क्या है?
Shah say shut. Six. Shah say shut.
Take page number 46.
Sa.
Today we are going to study. Mute your audio. Sa. Sa से सर्प. Sa से सर्प. सर्प. सर्प अर्थ क्या है? स्नेक. सर्प. से सर्प. सा से क्या है? सा से सर्प. सर्प. Who is reading that? Please mute your audio. Mute your audio and read. Sa से सर्प. Page number 46. Sa से सर्प अर्थ क्या है? Sarp means snake. Sarp means snake. Sa se sarp. Sa se sarp. Next, page number 41. Look, page number 41. Look there. One letter is there. Ra. Ra se rabbit. That already we learned. Page number 41. Ra se rabbit. Ra, how to change sa? Look there. Ra, how to change sa? Ra के साथ one curve and one straight line will get sa. You check page number 41, letter Ra, and page number 46, letter sa. Clear? Ra, change it to sa. Maithili, what happened your video? I'm seeing some pictures there. Where is your face, Maithili?
We are checking.
Some settings are on memory. പറഞ്ഞോ.
What happened, Maithili? There?
Ma'am, we are checking some settings are wrong. That is
Switch off your video now. Now and do that.
okay.
Okay, okay, you do. Okay, yes.
Okay.
So, yes, mute your audio, Maithili. Mute and check. Maithili, yes. Okay, Maithili, okay. Mute. So, ra se rabat, and sa se sarp. Sa se sarp. Ra change to sa. Ra change to sa. Ra ke saath one curve and straight line will get sa. Clear now? We already learned ra. Ra ke saath one curve and straight line. Clear now? Yes. Sa se sarp. Sa se sarp. So when I am writing here, don't write. Clear now? 100 times I repeated that. I will say take your notebook. That time you take your notebook. Without my permission, please don't write. Some students will start writing. They will write 1,000 times continuous. They will write it. Never they can't identify the letter. You listen in the class. 5 minutes at least. Okay. So again, I am telling without my permission, don't write. So listen here. So, 1 second. How to write sa? Yes. So already we learned, look here, already we learned, sorry. We learned this letter. Ra. ये क्या है? रा. रा से rabbit. Ra se rabbit. Where is one curve we saw? Here one curve. Clear, no? Okay. Next we are going to ra change it to sa. Yes. First we wrote ra. इसके साथ where is that curve? इसके ऊपर. Here, from here, take up and come down. That is sa. Once more. First you write this letter. Go up and down. Some students will write. They will write and they will take this curve from here. That is wrong. Clear now? Don't write like this. Some will write, see, like this. This also wrong. Clear? Once more I will write. First you write ra. Ra, in the ra, where is curve? Iske upar. Upar meaning up. Take one curve up and come down. Don't touch here. Don't start from here also. That also wrong. Clear? Don't start from this curve. That also wrong. Clear now? Once more I will show this. Yes, here is one curve, but we are starting from here. Here one curve. Don't start from there. Start from there. Sa. Sa, se, sarp. So already we learned ra, how to change sa. Sa, se, sarp. Before that, Which letter this one? Which letter? Which letter this? Pa. Pa say. Pa, how to change pa ke saath inside one slanting line we got sha. This is pa. Next sha. Sha say shut. So pa change it to sha. इसी तरह ra. Ra. I am writing here R-A. Ra. Ra change it to S. Yes. Ra change it to S. S-A. Clear now? Pa se padang. Sha se shut. Ra se rabat. Sa se sarp. Did you understand? Pa change it to how? Pa change it to sha. Pa ke saath inside one slanting line. We got sha. Ra. Ra ke saath one curve and one straight line. We got sa. Sa. Okay. Dhruva, please read these letters.
A, sha,
Ah.
da,
Ra.
ra,
Ah.
sa.
Sa. Sarah, read these letters. Sarah. Sarah, read these letters.
Pa,
Ah.
sha,
Ah.
ra,
Ah.
sa.
Sa. Yes, okay. Maithili, okay now? Maithili. No connection.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Maithili, read these letters.
Pa,
Ah.
sha,
Ah.
ra,
Ah.
sa.
Yes, मेघदर्श पा से क्या है?
Pa,
पा से क्या है?
padang. Pa,
पा से पतंग.
pa se padang.
नेक्स्ट शा से क्या है?
है,
शट.
sha,
रा.
se shut.
रा से क्या है?
Sa se rabbit, rubber.
सा.
Sa se
सर्प.
sarp.
स्नेक.
Sarp, snake.
सर्प. स्नेक.
Sarp, snake.
Okay, this is the today's page 1. So again, after that, I am giving one more page today. No need right now. Don't write now. This is page 2. Page 2 you write sa. Don't write now. Sa. First you write sa. Iske saath one curve and straight line. Don't write now. Sa. Sa. Sa.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
this
Yes.
class finished. This is right.
That I will say. No. So first page we wrote.
And rough book many
No.
times right.
No. You wait there, Prarthana there. I will say. So first page we wrote today's date and we write pa, sha, ra, sa. And you write pa, sound also P-A-S-H-H-A-R-A-S-A. You take, don't write now, listen here. You take your notebook, take first page, new page, and write today's date, and you write pa, sha, ra, sa, like that only one time. Then iske upar up you write P-A-S-H-A-A-R-A, sa. So that no need write that page. Okay, you write one time. After that, take next page. Again, you give date.
Ma'am,
And you write
P-A-S-H-H.
sa. Clear now? One time. One time. Clear?
PASHHA, that is right.
Ah, yes, that also right.
Ma'am, please show the Ma'am, please show the first page.
I didn't say start writing. Hayan, you wait there. I didn't say. This is your problem. I told take your notebook. How to write, I am explain this one. Some are writing very slow, some are writing very fast. That's why I told, explain like this. If you write one time in your notebook, no, you will get a time after some time. You can't write in this period itself. No problem. After the class, you write. Some students will finish in the period itself. Okay, you can finish.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
For what? Krishna, for what? No need right now. First you listen to me. Clear? Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
some students, they can't write now itself. They will take a time and after the class, they will write. So, okay, you can write like this, no problem. Clear? Some students, very slow, some are writing very fast. So, take your notebook, take a new page and write today's date. You page one what I wrote, that you write one time in your notebook. After that, no need to write it down now. Take next page and write one time what I wrote, page number 2. Clear now. After that, if you are getting time in the period itself, no, you can write down. Otherwise, no need write now. After the class, any free time, you complete your notes. Clear now? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now take your notebook, take your pencil. First you write this one time in your notebook.
Ma'am, right, start writing.
Yes, start. When you are writing, say the letter pa.
Ma'am,
Pa
this is
say
many
pada.
times right.
Eh?
This is many times right.
Only one time enough now. After that, write page number 2. Also write one time.
This one time only enough. Oh. Ma'am, page one right.
Ah, yes, page 1 right now.
PAGE page.
After that, page number 2. Page number 2 is very easy. Sa, write like that. This is page 1.
Ma'am, please show page number 2.
Ah, yes, page number 2. Yes, page number 2. This.
Page number 1. Right?
If you finish page number 1 and 2 one time, finish, no? Page number 1 and 2, one line, first line, finish. Take page number 1 and write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You finish page number 1 and 2, first line. What I wrote in the board, that you finish. No? Take page number 1 and write down. 2 and Judy. Now, okay. Then page number 1, you write down. Clear? Yes.
Ma'am, both screen share.
This.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, board number 1.
Board 1.
Ma'am, लीजिए correct. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, board number 1.
Board.
Ma'am, I am correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, page 1 this time, right?
No.
Ma'am, Joe and Judy correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, page to finish. Ma'am,
Yes.
that word's also right. That word's also right.
Words. Which word?
Yes.
Word.
Yes, that word's page 1.
That is not word. That is sound. I wrote in English that. Sound.
That right?
Yeah. Write one time.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet? Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
may I go to toilet?
Okay.
Ma'am, then it has completed. Ma'am, then it has completed.
Okay. Write down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first time P-A write that sound and
Right. Sound.
down right
Yes.
P-A.
No. Only one time enough. No.
Okay, ma'am. Down also completed Junitas.
Junaida, when you start writing? Now?
Krishna Priya, one page finish.
Junaida, write one more page. So,
Ma'am, Karthik, one page finish.
yes, right. Next page. When you are writing, say that word and letter also. Each
Okay,
letter,
ma'am.
how will change one letter to another letter. Check that. We already learned one letter like that. Pa change it to Sha with one slanting line. Are you remember that letter? One change, one letter already we learned. Inside one slanting line, we'll get another letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Which letter that? Can you say?
Sha.
Huh? No.
Ba.
Ah, Marin Justin, क्या है? Marin.
Ba.
Ba, yes, very good. Ba, ba के साथ one slanting line will get a ba. Very good. Marin, okay. Yes. Like that, pa के साथ one slanting line will get sha. So you remember like that small clues. So you can identify that letter.
Ma'am, ba and ba.
Ah, yes, va and ba.
Ma'am, this correct?
Ah, yes, okay.
Ma'am, this correct?
Ah, yes.
मैं पढ़ाई कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ.
Now, Dhruva, you complete that page full.
Ma'am, this correct?
Ah, yes.
मैं पढ़ाई कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. Ma'am, Marin correct?
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, one page completed.
Next page. Chandra.
Ma'am, page 2 saw one page.
Ah, yes. Yes.
Please show page number 1.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, Sarah Shah is correct.
Ah, yes. Malavika, Sujesh, mute your audio.
Ma'am, page 2.
Huh? Yes, page 2 also complete now.
Ma'am, page 1 show.
Page 1 not complete, Prarthana.
Ma'am, page 2.
Huh?
Ma'am, page 2.
Page 2 saw. This is page 2. Joan Judy's sister, what she's doing there, Joan Judy? Your sister is there?
Yes,
What she's doing?
she's playing.
Ah, there is no place. Huh? When start the class, she was there. Yes. So, mute your audio and say, yes, okay. Now you write our time finish. Now you write and study that.
Ma'am, Karthik finish.
Ah, so okay.
Agnes,
Agnes Jojo, you write one more line is there. Don't leave space there. Agnes Jojo completes that page.
Ma'am,
Ah, yes.
today page 1 finish.
Ah, yes, you continue.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, you continue or stop your writing. When you are getting free time, you take a rest, no problem.
Finished.
Ah, yes, okay. If you finish, now close your book. Okay, write and study these all letters. Write and study these all letters in the rough book. No need in your notebook again. Take your rough book, write and study. Free time.
Ma'am, Malavika is complete. Ma'am, Prathana Ma'am,
Okay, say bye.
Ma'am,